Hello to everyone. This is a slideshow to present you two new structures developed with the collaboration of GS Logistics just for this particular period of COVID-19. The first one is named Sweep Point. Is a self-standing tunnel with a structure realized with box-shaped steel and with the base plates for fixing to the ground. The cover and side panel are realized in water-repellent PVC sheets and the front closure in curtain or a spin rapid door. This element can be installed for the washing and sanitization of medical rescue vehicles and equipment or as their recovery and protection structure. This structure is in prompt delivery and the shipping times depend on the distance of your site. The second one is named Checkpoint. It's a self-standing tunnel realized with a box-shaped steel structure, provided with base plates for fixing to the ground, and cover and side panel realized in water-propellant PVC sheets. The front closure is realized with curtain or a spin rapid doors. This element is made to create a control area and filter staff and materials, temperature measurement, and dressing authorized personnel on entry in work areas, check and cleaning of materials and equipment. These items are in prompt delivery and shipping times may depend from the distance of your site. For further information on order, please visit the site www.ilog.eu or write me an email at trade@ilog.eu.